Hey guys, thank you for joining us again at Car System Installation. Today we're going to show you the Blackvue DR750 2-channel installed on a Tesla Model X 2017. The front camera we have ran under the mirror, and we ran all the wires through the factory channel so that we don't have any visible wires, anything. Everything looks clean and nice. You can only see the wires that coming in, and after that it goes in the factory channel. Nothing visible on the vehicle. The rear camera obviously goes on the rear windshield, and in the same case we have ran it through the factory channel, so you can see the rear camera in here, and ran it through the factory channel to make sure there's no wiring visible. On the side here we ran the wires through the headliner, so again no wires visible, everything is clean and nice. The power has been taken from the vehicle to make sure the system also records when the vehicle is parked. If you're looking for installation of dash cams or just purchase the dash cams for different vehicles, we sell them at Car System Installation. You can always give us a call. I'll give you a price quote for the labor and the parts. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you the next time. Have a great day.